Would you rather? Hardest choices. Comment your answer to get a shout out in the next video. And make sure to like and subscribe since it really helps out the channel. Let's begin. Would you rather pee your pants or poop your pants? Would you rather be invisible for a day or be able to fly for a day? Would you rather never use social media again or never watch TV or movies again? Would you rather eat only pizza for a year or eat only ice cream for a year? Would you rather have a pet dragon or have a pet unicorn? Would you rather always be 10 minutes late or always be 20 minutes early? Would you rather live without music or live without video games? Would you rather have the ability to read minds or have the ability to teleport? Would you rather only be able to whisper or only be able to shout? Would you rather be rich and lonely or be poor and have lots of friends? Would you rather never eat chocolate again or never eat candy again? Would you rather be the smartest person in the room or be the funniest person in the room? Would you rather always have bad hair or always have bad breath? Would you rather have a talking dog or have a talking cat? Would you rather be famous for 1 year or be unknown forever? Would you rather have a time machine or have a magic wand? Would you rather only wear pajamas for the rest of your life or only wear formal clothes for the rest of your life? Would you rather be able to control the weather or be able to talk to animals? Would you rather have a rewind button for your life or have a pause button for your life? Would you rather always win at games or always win at arguments? Would you rather never have homework again or never have exams again? Would you rather eat broccoli-flavored ice cream or drink ketchup-flavored soda? Would you rather be stuck on a deserted island or be stuck in a haunted house? Would you rather have no phone for a year or have no internet for a year? Would you rather be able to breathe underwater or be able to run super fast? Would you rather only eat sweet foods or only eat savory foods? Would you rather live in a tree house or live in a cave? Would you rather be allergic to the sun or be allergic to water? Would you rather be best friends with your favorite celebrity or be best friends with a superhero? Would you rather only eat with your hands or only eat with chopsticks? Would you rather have no eyebrows or have no eyelashes? Would you rather be covered in fur or be covered in scales? Would you rather always be sweaty or always be freezing cold? Would you rather never watch YouTube again or never watch Netflix again? Would you rather have super strength or have super intelligence? Would you rather be able to speak all languages or be able to play all instruments? Would you rather live 100 years in the past or live 100 years in the future? Would you rather always have to sing instead of talking or always have to dance instead of walking? Would you rather have no sense of smell or have no sense of taste? Would you rather have an extra arm or have an extra leg?